Hello and welcome everyone back again. I'm finally after my vacation and I'm fully loaded, charged and ready to work. In the upcoming days I will start to record good quality tutorials. I have plenty of ideas. What should I do next? What should I continue focusing on? What should I record? But before we do all that, before we talk about this, before you can comment, for example, what you like to see, I would like to show you the newest PowerPoint redesign. I'm coming back. It's August 28th and PowerPoint did get this redesign, but don't get me wrong, not everyone will see this new design right away. As you can see, beautiful, playful new icons. Everything, even the smallest details, are redesigned here in PowerPoint. Even, for example, if I set here this to on click, even this little mouse icon here is different. So plenty of items are different, but they still remain the same when it comes to functionality. Just small details are added. For example, if I go into insert and I insert a shape, the very first shape is actually a text box. So you no longer have to decide if you want to click on insert text box or insert shapes, because this is right now merged into this shape and you can always just click this one. You can click text box and you have a ready, fully functioning text box. What I'm showing you here is a beta rolled out by Microsoft. If you go to File, Account here on the left bottom side, you have information about your current build. The current official build is version 1807. And most of you will have 1807 if you have PowerPoint 2016 or Microsoft Office Subscription 365 like I have here. So do not wonder if you do not have this option yet. This is because I opted in to be a beta tester for PowerPoint as an Office Insider. Don't worry, everyone can potentially become an Office Insider. As you can see here, the second button is related to Office Insider and you can simply click and change your level to become signed up for it, or you can deselect it if you want the stable normal version. I cannot say that this version is better. I just like the visuals and that they do something with the entire Office package, because a few weeks back I realized that, hey, wait a minute, why does Microsoft Excel has a new menu, new icons, new everything, and PowerPoint still stays behind? This is because perhaps PowerPoint has more icons to design, and as you can see, they really put in the work here. Everything is redesigned. The new menu is a little bit more fluent, but that's just design changes. The most important changes, apart of course from the icons, are a small shift in the placing of the elements. So we can find the elements at a more convenient place. We have the screen recording here, but you can still go to the recording tab and you would have this here as well. So this is it when it comes for the introductory video on to what we will tap into in the upcoming weeks, months. Tomorrow I plan to create a slide design. Sorry that this video, which I'm recording right now, doesn't have much substance. It's basically just me getting back into the recording rhythm and sharing with you what's on my mind currently. I'm really at a crossroads at my business and I'm planning to do a big redesign of my channel. I want to distinguish between my After Effects content and my PowerPoint content. So the plan is to have two separate channels for After Effects and for PowerPoint, and to bring the best possible tutorials I can. Tomorrow I'll try to design a really gorgeous slide. I haven't selected the slide yet, so plenty of work is ahead of me, because I need to plan, I need to create the slide, I need to select some photographs for it and to think of a design. But I've recently watched so many good designs and poster designs and logo designs, because I'm searching for a redesign to my channel and I have plenty of design material in my head. I just have to flow it into a slide. Okay, sorry for this being more of a video log than an actual tutorial, but I believe The channel is growing and we are connecting somehow together, so I would like I would like you to know what's up with me and where everything is heading. I hope this is okay and you didn't lose many time watching this, and see you hopefully tomorrow if I'm able to publish, if not in a few days, and we will continue on designing good presentations.